What's up, everyone? My name is Joseph Andrews, or Joe, whatever you want. Welcome to my first hair product review ever. What's up, guys? My name's Joe, and yes, this is the same shirt that I wore in the last video, but you know, different outer piece. All right. Look, I just moved internationally. I don't have a lot of clothes at the moment. I'm still waiting for stuff to arrive. I'm also way more broke than any of you could even imagine at the moment. So, you know, it's all about recycling, smart recycling. Now, I am Joe, creator of hair videos. What is the biggest critique that I get? Take a minute, you know, speak amongst yourselves. It's that everyone says that I do the same hairstyle all the time. Post a video, same hairstyle, man. Why don't you ever change it up? I'm bored of this hairstyle, seen it a million times. First of all, if I do try to change it up, everyone's like, this sucks. Why did you change it? Go back to what you did. There's always a catch-22. But today, what I wanted to do is go ahead and give you guys a little hairstyle history of all of the, not all of them, but a lot of the hairstyles that I've brought to you over the years since like 2014, man. We've been talking about hair for a long time. It's funny looking back how much I've grown in my own knowledge of like, you know, hair, and not only hair, but especially style. My style, you're gonna see. We're gonna take a look, but I used to clearly, you know, not know exactly what I was doing. The best way to start though, we gotta take a look at old school Joe. This is pre-YouTube Joe. For a long time I've been into hair products. I just didn't really know, you know, about the haircut or hairstyling itself. I would just grab some product, rub it in between my hands, and throw it in my hair. And that's kind of what I've got going on here, you know? It's clearly styled in one way or another, but it's very poofy, especially at those sides. And people ask me why I don't grow my hair out at the sides. This is a prime example for you. So these three pictures were in 2013, and I started my channel sometime in 2014. That's when I really started to care about hair. So check out, this is my first hairstyle, first video ever on the BluMaan channel. And this is what we're dealing with. So this is still pre-undercut. I have never had an undercut at this point. It is the first time that I did go slightly shorter on my sides and my back compared to my top, and I thought that it looked really cool. I was like, wow, these short back and sides, there's something going on here. I'll just show you what the hairstyle looked like. This was a Hans de Foucault claymation review, by the way, in case you're curious. And that's the finished look. This is what I started out my channel with. You know, not too bad, but kind of bland, I guess. I don't know. That's what kicked everything off though, so no regrets over here. From there, this right here, the importance of a good haircut. I remember this video because this is the first video that I made after getting a undercut for the very first time in my life. And I was like, I know it may look a little bit funny, but I was like, man, this haircut is sick. I've never had a haircut like it before. And I was like, there's actually, having a good haircut, it's important. And so I wanted to talk about that, which is what I did in this video. This was the haircut that Daniel Alfonso gave me. The very first time I ever had an undercut was by Daniel Alfonso, 2014. Jordan O'Brien was over there. Let's throw a picture up of Jordan O'Brien. Let's move on. Modified pomade review. I was going through my Hans de Foucault times back then. This is an example. I said it somewhere in this video. We'll try to find the clip, but the person who gave me this haircut did an absolutely terrible job. Before anything though, I just gotta show you that I got a pretty severe haircut. Not really on purpose. I was just throwing out some fancy words at the barber, and next thing you know, got really short sides. Fortunately, you know, I have some hairstyling skills. I was able to resolve it. So this is an example of a slick back using modified pomade, super short sides and back. It doesn't look that bad from here. The back looked a little funny, and also if I try to do any other hairstyle, it looked a little funny. Yeah, like look at this. You get to the back. Oh my gosh, what is going on? Next, all right, disconnected undercut. Now this is like starting to get to my more signature look. I'm starting to figure out my signature look, but this was before, or this was when during the time when I styled my hair in the opposite direction. So in this video, as you can see here, I style my hair from my right to my left. If I go in the opposite direction, I get some serious volume. And 2014 Joe was all about that height. So this was styled in the opposite direction. And I've just got like 3 inches of volume on the top. So, you know, The pushback quiff, it's still a hairstyle that I like. I just wouldn't be going in the opposite direction. That's personal preference. I don't like that much volume anyways. Like my hair is quite voluminated naturally anyways. So have you noticed, by the way, all of these are different, okay? They're all different so far. Here's another different one. This is one of the longest that my hair has ever been. Also, we used a straightener to finish it off at the end, which really helps. If I want to go for like a slick back look, a straightener really helps to just tame it, you know, get rid of that poof a little bit. This is what I want though. Like my hair's still not this long, even though I've been growing it out for like 6 months. Well, 5 months so far. But I want to go longer. I don't know, I might do it. I might do it because this finished result is nice. Look at this bit. Oh, that's satisfying if you ask me. Quite a slick back for me. Like I don't normally have such flat hair, at least for me. Boom, different hairstyle in your face. In your face. And then from there, all right, another picture example, because this was, when was this? So it's 2016 now. The first time that I went short again. I started my channel with kind of, you know, longer-ish hair. 2016, I cut it down short. There's an example, and this is the first video that I ever did that. So my short forward quiff. I was kind of nervous. I remember being a little bit nervous because I was like, this is very different for my channel. It's, I'm glad that I did it because I was able to bring some different types of content. Once again, different hairstyles, everybody. Get it through your head already. Not to mention, I'm only one person, all right? I'm trying my best here. What do you want? What else do you want from me? I can't just change my hair type or texture willy-nilly like that. This was the finished result. You've seen this before. I did this in 2018 as well. And off with a wink there, apparently. That's nice. All right, still in 2016, the David Rosman. This is the video that introduced David Rosman to the BluMaan world, or BluMaan audience. The finished hairstyle that David did for me here is still to this day one of my favorite finished looks that any barber has ever pulled off, just because he made it look so good. But this is like a big volume quiff, but it just works. The way that he styled my hair, it made it look so good. Check out this final spin. I just like the texture that he was able to get in there. He did throw in some hairspray, I remember, but that looks legit. Insane. I can't do that myself. I'm jealous of that Joe's hair. What can I say? And then this was just another David Rosman hairstyle. Like he was a great barber. If you're in Manchester, once again, check him out. From there, okay, this is just this was 2018, right? So 2018 for me was again the year of shorter hair. A lot of 2018, I was rocking the shorter forward quiff, and this is just a quick tutorial of that. So I had never done a tutorial for shorter quiff before, only a haircut video. So it's still different. That finished result, it looks good. It's easy to manage. It's easy to style. It's easy. Another, you know, nice thing. I like this hairstyle, but it's definitely more work than the shorter hairstyles. From there, we go platinum. Platinum blonde, everybody. I skipped some highlights that I got from earlier. I really like the platinum, but they literally only lasted, the platinum color itself only lasted like 5 or 6 days in my hair before it pretty much just turned blonde. It was my first time going platinum. I didn't want to go crazy, so I just kind of got, you know, like a highlighted platinum look. Next time though, should I just, after this 6-month hair growth challenge, maybe I'll just take it all platinum. What do you think? Saying big things in this video today. Okay, so this was the shoot with Gordon Hayward, also in 2018. The reason why I included this is just to show you how short my hair was. This was the shortest, in fact, probably in my entire life. If you've missed the Gordon Hayward video, one of these sides. Over there, is it? I don't know, one of these sides, you can check it out. And this is just another example when I still had my really short hair. That picture's on Instagram. Check out the Instagram. I'll link it down below, and also we'll swipe it over on this screen. Even though we probably swiped it over earlier in this video, you get 2 swipes for the price of 1. And then, right, this was the start of my 6-month hair growth challenge when I invited everybody to join. So you can see the exact length that we started with. It is definitely quite a bit shorter. In fact, looking back, it's nice to see how much has actually happened in 5 months. What's this? Don't go freaking pimple. So yeah, I was short. My hair, not me, my hair. Within the 6-month challenge video, I included this. Actually, I take what I've said earlier back. This is the longest that my hair has ever been. That is still much longer than my hair currently. And I'd like to, I don't know, I'd like to do that again. From there, we have what we have today, to this day. This picture was taken just a couple days ago, so I'm getting back that swoop. It feels good, guys. Feels good to be back here, but it's still swoopy. So what is it? It's still different. It's the details that make the difference, okay? Right, I'm just defending myself. Another example, we've still got the swoop going that we've got today. And of course, it's all thanks to this guy right here, the Daniel Alfonso Men's Salon. He hooked me up with this awesome haircut. One of my favorite videos, actually, and this only came out like a week ago. But Daniel hooked me up. He didn't go super short on the sides, which I kind of liked. It just helps to balance the top out a little bit more, but we still finished off with that signature swoop. I think it looks great. I'm happy with my hair right now. But hopefully you guys can see things have evolved, things have changed. There's been an evolution of hairstyles. It's not just always the same. There are similarities, I must admit, but there are for sure differences, especially when we're dealing with one person, okay? I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, a little look back through the hairstyle history that is of my own head. Don't forget that we've got an email list with exclusive content and the chance to win free monthly BluMaan products. Someone's winning every month who signs up to the email list. I will have that linked down below. Thank you guys for watching today, and I'll see everybody next time.